In today's class, we're going to share with you the home studio of HustleTech University, what type of final cutter we use, heat press, printer, etc. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. You know how we do. We like to get the legalities out of the way. HustleTech University is not sponsored by Celeron, Silhouette of America, or the Epson Company in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Welcome to HustleTech University School of Technology. My name is Jesus Kane, independent artist and creative designer behind Teflon Gods and Pink Picasso. If you're looking for more helpful tutorials on how to start your own t-shirt business, clothing line, or YouTube channel, do yourself two favors. First, like the video. Second, subscribe to the channel. In today's class, we're going to share with you the exact equipment that we utilize here at HustleTech University to make bandanas, hats, t-shirts, aprons, mugs, etc. It's going to be a lot of fun, and this information is very valuable for those who are looking to start their own clothing brand or t-shirt business. Let's get started. Okay, this is the computer that we use here at HustleTech University. It was used when I purchased it. It is an Celeron processed machine. I haven't had many problems with it other than the fact that by doing videos, I had to upgrade the memory, and the graphics card was a little outdated. By the time you go ahead and upgrade that, you could probably purchase a newer machine. So I just upgraded the memory as well as a few minor things. It came with the mouse, the keyboard, the monitor, and the system. It cost me roughly about $150, which isn't bad for a used workstation. I've had it for about 2 years. I haven't had any problems with it. We will be upgrading later on down the line to a newer workstation, but I will be keeping this one for other uses. I haven't had any problems with it. I'm satisfied with the purchase. When it comes to the editing of videos or the designing of t-shirts, I use Photoshop, which can be purchased through Photoshop. I use the monthly subscription that is paid monthly, and that is where I design my hang tags, my business cards, my YouTube thumbnails, etc. To start a t-shirt business, you definitely need either a laptop or a workstation, and they're fairly affordable, so it's worth the investment to go ahead and do your due diligence and research and finding the right model that is for you. This is the printer that we utilize here at HTU. This is the Epson Expression 6000. Unfortunately, it is discontinued, but you can still find them online through Amazon or eBay. They do have a newer model. I think it's the XP7100. I'm not sure offhand. But this is a small, compact, yet very powerful printer. I use it for a wide range of different things. I print business cards, invoices, inkjet heat transfers, hang tags. It's very versatile. It even has the ability to produce directly to CDs, which is very valuable. I love this machine. I paid about $75 for it about a year and a half ago. I still use it. It hasn't given me any problems. It's a good investment if you can find one. The only con I have about this machine is that when you have to replace the ink cartridges, it costs, once you replace all 4 or 5, I can't remember which directly under here, it costs the exact same amount of the printer. Okay, here at HTU, we utilize guys, this is our vinyl cutter. This is a Cameo 4. I previously owned a Cameo 3. I love the way it worked. Once you get over the small learning curve, the machine is well designed, very easy to use. Here are some samples that were cut out with the Cameo 4. This is an inkjet transfer. This is glitter vinyl that was cut. This is going on an apron. These are going on t-shirts. The machine roughly cost about $325. It arrived 5 days later, neatly packaged. I have a video for this. Feel free to check it out. It's on the channel. The Cameo 4 is well worth the investment. Of course, there are other machines, bigger machines, but they take up space, and for what I wanted to do, this was the machine for us. I'm really excited about the future that holds with this machine, and we're going to make money with it. It does whatever I want it to do. It has the ability to cut and manipulate various different types of media, from cardstock to paper to foil to glitter vinyl. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. Okay, this is the press that we use here at Hustletech University. It has a 15 by 12 press surface. It has a slide out pattern, so you won't have to burn your knuckles when you place some shirts in. It has a 2-inch LCD display that comes with a countdown and an alarm. It comes with the following accessories that allow you to do mugs, plates, hats, t-shirts, etc. It cost me roughly around $175 with shipping. I haven't had any problems with it, but I think it's a very good beginning press for people that are starting a t-shirt business or a clothing line. Here at Hustletech University, I have a used Intel Celeron computer. It's equipped with Photoshop designing software, as well as the software that comes with the Silhouette Cameo 3 and 4, which is the basic designing edition. We have an Epson Expression XP6000 to print out our inkjet transfers, hang tags, business cards, marketing materials, invoices, etc. Then we have a Silhouette Cameo 4 and 3 to cut our vinyl, our cardstock, our glitter or foil, or any type of material that we need to be heat pressed. Then we use a 15 by 12 heat press to apply that to any type of garment, such as an apron, a hat, a plate, bandanas, etc. So for an initial investment of about $750, you can start your very own t-shirt business or clothing brand. I appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of today's class. If you're looking for more helpful tutorials about how you can start your own YouTube channel, t-shirt business, or clothing brand, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In our very next video, it will be the grand opening officially of Hustletech University. We've been accepting orders for face masks, a few t-shirts here and there, but our website is just about finished and will be officially opening for business very, very soon. We're very excited. With that being said, of course, you know where this is. We're at Hustletech University. My name is Jesus Kane. Do 3 things: eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces. Are you looking for quality YouTube equipment or equipment for your t-shirt business? Use the links that we provide in the video description box below, and we'll plug you in. It costs absolutely nothing extra, and our platform may receive a tiny portion of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate it. Do you have any questions, concerns, or comments about our vinyl cutter, heat press, computer, inkjet printer? Please leave them in the comment section below.